everyone, this is Tim from Your6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your JBL wireless earbuds to your Motorola phone. So let's find the settings. So you can just swipe down from the top right, go to settings right here, and then we can scroll on down until we get to connected devices, Bluetooth pairing. We can go to pair new device. Now open up your JBL case and remove the earbuds. Now when you remove them, the light should be blinking. If it's a solid light, that means you have it connected to a different device. So you're going to have to forget on that device. Now under here, you might have to press this little button here, if there is a button, that will allow it to search for more devices. Just tap JBL by beam, go to pair, and I'm going to allow access to contacts and call history so I can connect and call people. Now I can go to the settings options, and I got the options. We can save it, and it's going to make me download the JBL app on the phone. I can go to install right here, and this will give you a lot more different settings with the JBL app versus just not having it. So it might take a little bit of time to open this up, and you'll play through this video. So definitely get this application. Allow you to adjust the headset just a little bit more. Accept the permission, allow. Tap here, and then you can find your product that you're using. So yeah, go ahead and just do this. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.